What's up, guys? Mike the Lost Texan here. Doing a quick little unboxing. I got my daughter Emily doing the camera work for me. Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
Alright, so, over here. There you go. I love my 17-inch Blackstone griddle, but I've been wanting to get a 22-inch. And went by Walmart today and saw this one. Now, these have been out for quite a while, but I found a nice deal on it because I wanted the folding leg stand to go with it. And this one has the stand, has the large tank adapter hose, and the 22-inch dual zone griddle in the box. All for $184 at Walmart today. Now, if that was a typo on their behalf, well, screw them. It's Walmart. It saved me about $90 from buying it off of Amazon. So let's unbox this thing, see what we got. Okay. We got some nice environmentally friendly packaging. Got some not so environmentally packaged. Alright, first thing coming out of the box is going to be the adjustable leg stand. Now, I've been wanting one of these for a while now because they have infinitely adjustable legs. Because I don't know about you, but every campsite I go to, and I love taking this thing camping, they all are not level. These have legs that you can adjust out as far as you need to go for whatever distance you need. And yes, a spirit level is going to be part of my camping kit from now on to make sure this thing is 100% level in the field. Because there is absolutely nothing worse than going out, trying to make omelets, and having the damn things run off the side of your griddle. It's embarrassing. Okay. Environmentally unfriendly packaging. You got our hose adapter. Fits onto your standard 25, 10, or 300-pound propane tank. Your choice. Instructions. Ah. If you're old enough and you remember the Muppets, the old Swedish chef, Bernie Haney. Mark. All right. So, 22-inch. Dual burner, dual zones. This can make some fantastic omelets. We're already figuring out what we're doing for dinner. Set that right there for right now. You stay. I want to get there. Whoever does their cardboard contracting, I want to be on that one. I don't think you could hurt this thing if you shipped it by UPS. And they can tear up a steel ball with a glass hammer.
packaging not dad-proof.
Nothing is dad-proof. So this has the cover attached to it also, and it's attached as a single unit, it looks like. Just a Phillips head screw on either side. You can remove it if that's not what you're after, but we'll wait till unpack that in a minute. Here we go. Ow. We probably should edit that out. You're not going to edit that out, are you?
No.
I think so. All right. I will say this for them. They didn't stick it on with some kind of sticky substance or anything like that, or hot glue. They actually put damn magnets on it. I don't know why I find that funny, but I do. Put this on the side for a minute. And figure out how to assemble. I better get this cardboard cleaned up before my wife comes out here and starts yelling at me. Again. Phillips head. Looks like a 9/16, but never trust them. And a side table. You got your 1 pound bottle hookup, which is nice. And then attach it to it. And your drip tray. Well, that thing out coming out the back is a lifesaver. Okay, directions have been consulted, ignored. And I was right. It's not a 9/16. It's a damn 13 millimeter. Listen. Millimeters aren't good enough to put America on the moon. They're not good enough for me. I do it in 12ths. Thank you, fat electrician. Okay, so everything's been put together. We got her up, hooked in, leveled. And by the way, if you're going to cook on one of these things, make sure it's level. Fore and aft, bow and stern. Got the adapter hooked up for the big bottle of propane. All we're going to do now, give it a bit of a season, cook some dinner. I don't know what we're cooking yet, so we probably won't shoot that video. Alright? Okay, camera girl Emily, get some B-roll. We'll put it at the end.